Morning, guys. So you always hear people talking about mental health, even though some of you don't really know the definition of what mental health is. So in this video, I am going to try to explain the meaning of the term mental health. Now, mental health, it refers to a person's overall emotional well-being, psychological well-being, as well as their social well-being. Okay, now what influences mental health? It influences the way you feel, the way you think, the way you behave, the way you relate with others, the way you cope with stress, as well as the way you make everyday decisions. Okay, now another thing about mental health, people often assume that mental health, it only affects adults. Guys, it's not like that. Even children go through mental health difficulties. Even teenagers, they go through mental health difficulties. And an individual's mental health, it is often shaped by different things. It can be shaped by the person's or the individual's life experiences. It can also be shaped by the individual's relationship. It can also be shaped by the environment that the individual lives in. Then the last thing, it can also be shaped by if the individual has access to support or not. Okay, now when you are struggling with mental health, it simply means that there is disturbance in your ability to deal or to manage the challenges that you have. It also means there is an interference or a disturbance in the ability to regulate your emotions, and it also means there's a disturbance in your ability to seek help when it's needed. So thank you. In the next episode, we're going to discuss the facts and the myths about mental health. Thank you for watching this video. Anyway, don't forget to take care of your mental health. Mental health matters. Let's seek help when it's needed. There is no shame in going to therapy. Let's normalize going to therapy, or let's normalize going to counseling, as much as we have normalized taking a Panado when you have a headache.